Hotels.com Review 2025. Is it better than Expedia or Airbnb? Booking a trip in 2025 means choosing the right platform, and Hotels.com is a popular choice. But is it better than Expedia or Airbnb? Let's dive in. Hotels.com offers access to hundreds of thousands of properties worldwide, from hotels to vacation rentals. Most people get this wrong. They assume it's just for hotel stays, but Hotels.com also lists apartments, pubs, and resorts, making it a versatile choice for any traveler. One major advantage is the rewards program. You won't believe what happens next after booking 10 nights. You earn a free night, which can save frequent travelers hundreds of dollars each year. The website and app are user-friendly, with clear filters for price, location, and amenities. Compared to Expedia, Hotels.com often has more flexible cancellation policies and a slightly lower booking fee. Airbnb, on the other hand, specializes in unique homes and long-term stays, but doesn't offer the same loyalty rewards. Pricing varies depending on demand and location, so it's wise to compare options. Hotels.com also offers price guarantees and deals for last-minute bookings. So, is Hotels.com better? For travelers who want a mix of hotels and rentals, loyalty rewards, and easy booking, it's an excellent choice. For those seeking unique experiences or local stays, Airbnb may still have the edge. The surprising truth is that the best platform depends on your travel style. Hotels.com balances affordability, flexibility, and rewards in a way that few competitors match.